Alright guys, what's going on? We're back with another episode of Real Wheel Horsepower. We added a single turbo with a Spectrum manifold. We got a precision turbo we added to this car. So we upgraded all this, and we had this car on a dyno before. It made 270 horsepower, okay? So we're gonna fire it up and see what kind of numbers she makes with the modifications we did. Alright guys, awesome numbers. We got 436 horsepower and 423 foot-pounds of torque. It was a little less, I think, than I expected with this turbo, but we are limited because this is a gas tune. Okay, this is a pump gas tune. We're at about 19 PSI, and that's just where this engine is on this turbo, but it spools up really fast, and this thing should be a tire roasting monster out on the street. If you want a single turbo, you want a cage built in your car, whatever you want, we can take care of that for you at Driver Motorsports. So make sure you stay tuned and like, subscribe, and watch out for more awesome dyno videos from Driver Motorsports.